Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to check if a YouTube channel is monetized using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for youtube.com. Okay, so now just go ahead and search for the channel that you want to check if their channel is monetized. So let me just go ahead and check any random channel first. Okay, so let me just visit this channel. So go to their profile. And here as you can see, this channel has only have 12 subscribers. So to check if this channel is monetized, what you need to do is to just go ahead and right click on on your screen. Okay, so now click on view page source, or you can just go ahead and press Ctrl U on your keyboard so that the source page will open up. Then after that, once you've seen this, just go ahead and press Ctrl F on your keyboard and then search for monetization. So now as you can see here, the monetization word, and right here, the false word. Okay. So that simply means that this channel is not yet monetized. Okay, so let's just go ahead and find any channel until we have a monetized channel here. So let me just go ahead and click on this, the tech wiki. Now go ahead and open their profile. As you can see, this channel has over 4 million subscribers. So let's just go ahead and check if this is monetized channel. So press Ctrl U on your keyboard. Then again, search for monetization. So here, as you can see, monetization, and it says true. Okay. So that means that this channel is monetized. Okay, so that's so easy, right? So that's it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.